When you get ready to register your son or daughter for seminary, come into myseminary.churchofjesuschrist.org. Then you'll need to sign in using your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll come to the top left-hand side here and see which of your children are eligible to register. If they're coming into 9th grade up to 12th grade, they should appear right there. When you click on their name, you can then come to registration. You'll want to make sure that you have the correct graduation year and pick the correct location where they'll be attending seminary. Once that's selected, go ahead to the guardian contact information and make sure that everything's current on that. And you're going to continue to the participation policy. Once you've read that basic agreement, you can go ahead and click that you've read and accepted the basic agreement. You only need to do that one time for them during their time that they're in high school. This is a new feature right here. You can select if there's a church school that you would like to receive information during the school year. So you can select which church school you'd like to receive some information, and you can pick multiple schools. And then save that. You'll see it checked right there, and then go ahead and hit submit. This will show that your son or daughter is registered. Once school starts and they actually attend class, then this will show yes, that they are currently enrolled. Currently they're just registered. Once they attend, they are enrolled. That's it. Reach out if you have any questions.